Hi, my name is Kelly Brandis, and I work at a cancer center in York, Pennsylvania, where we give cancer patients radiation therapy treatments. Um, to answer the first question, which is describe your work role where you encountered people who were diagnosed with a mental health condition, I would have to say that I do that, if not on a daily basis, at least once or twice a week. A lot of the patients that we are treating have a myriad of issues, and sometimes they do have mental health conditions. And if I notice something from having read their chart or just from interacting with them, I make it a point to bring it to the attention of the physician and the social worker and nurse, um, because I've been told I'm intuitive with those sorts of things, and so um, I know that I've dealt with that on the reg. Um, what are my beliefs about mental health diagnosis? Um, I was incorrectly diagnosed as a child with a mental health disorder. That it wasn't until I was in my until I was 30, that I got the correct diagnosis and began my journey with getting the proper treatment, both through medication and counseling and a lot of work. And so I really do believe that in order to be a contributing member to society, um, the benefits from what I've experienced have kind of helped me so much that I want to pay it forward and help people to overcome any insecurities that they may have about their own diagnoses. And so that's kind of what got me into it. So I do see the benefits of getting help for mental health issues. And I feel like it's, even though I know I'm working towards being in this field, that there are even times still today where I'm ashamed and hesitant to share this. So thank you for being a forum where I can openly share this. Um, in what ways do I participate to make DSM-5 diagnosis? So, as I mentioned earlier, I do have an intuitiveness that I think it's something that I was born with. And so, if I notice certain characteristics or any kind of behaviors, I will alert, like I said previously, the doctor, the nurse, and the social worker. And so I feel that just through my engagement with patients is a way that I participate in helping to make that diagnosis. Of course, I'm not in any way, shape, or form trying to say that I do that now. I do have an idea of what I can see and what I can share, and I do that. So that's me in almost 3 minutes. I did pretty good. So I just want to wish everyone well this semester, and I hope everybody's staying safe. And thank you for listening to my introduction. Bye bye.